we'll guide you through how to add a webcam in OBS. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because you can then go and have your face or something else being captured. For example, some people like showing their keyboard with their webcam. It doesn't matter, you're adding it into OBS and you're going to be able to use it. Now, what some people like to do is go and have a dedicated scene just to go and have a full screen of their webcam. For example, when streaming or starting their video, they want it just to be their face. So to do that, you could come into scenes, press the plus at the bottom and name this cam or webcam, press OK, and then you can go and continue. Or you can come into another scene where you've got your display capture or game capture or window capture, press the plus to go and add that in sources, and we can add over it. It's going to be the same whether it's blank or there's already run here. So you can go and press the plus at the bottom of sources once you're in the scene, whether it's blank or there's already one or already media in here, press the plus, and then you want to go and find video capture device. Click there, press OK. Now in device, click here and you need to go and choose your webcam. So in this case, I use the Insta360 link, so I can select that. I don't change these settings, we can press OK, and there it is. So let's say you wanted to go and fill it, you could right click, hover over transform, and you could go and press on fit to screen, or you can click, hold and drag in the corners and you can go and resize it like so. And you can then go and position it where you want it to go and be. And you can click, hold and drag as well. If you want to crop it, hold the Alt key, then click, hold and drag, and you can go and crop it. As you can see, I would have to go and scoot across here, and I can go to adjust webcam as well, and then position it in the corner. That's it. That's how you can go and add in a webcam.